time you're going to learn that you need to go a little faster because you will pee.
You know what? This is a warm-up lap for me.
Because when you take your time and you pee, it's going to be all over you.
He ain't got no feeling at all.
Hey, Corey, look at the camera and smile.
That would be perfect. He just peed right now.
Oh, I have another one. Because they're pretty dry. Sorry, bud.
I'm definitely recording this.
You got this one next Sniper.
Go ahead, take your time. I want to see it. I want to see if he pees.
Better hurry up. No, pee all over you.
I'm trying to get him clean.
Pee all over Daddy.
He's pointing at Grandpa. Yeah, I know that. Did he get circumcised? Okay, he did get circumcised. No. They don't even do that for a day or so. It's alright, buddy. I won't let him mess you up.
Oh no, there we go.
It's okay.
You're making him cry.